Okay, bottom center. Nice. Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Links in the description. Hello.
What's going on, bro?
How you doing? Whoa, this is pretty. Wow. You built this? Nice job.
Every day.
Could you tell me your name and what you got real quick?
JB Creg. I got 4 Hooligan 15s on 2 10K Hooligans.
Okay. Did you know the specs on your enclosure?
30 hertz.
30 hertz intensity? Okay. And have you metered it?
No, sir.
No meter? Okay.
Just put it back together last night.
Nice. Wow. I like your amp rack. That's kind of different. It's unique. Looks good.
Less heat.
What do you think you're peaking at? Frequency-wise, you don't know?
No,
Not
sir.
sure? Okay. Is there any way I can see the back, the port? I'd love to see. I'm really curious.
I watch you on YouTube.
Oh yeah? Okay. Okay, bottom center. Thank you for the demo. That looks really good. Plays the lows really well.
Frequency-wise, you don't know?
No, sir.
Okay.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see you all in the next one.